Today, we have Tsukemen cold dipping ramen. First off, I want to get these onions sliced and curled. Let's make our cuts. Got a little ice bath here. Next up, let's prepare the trumpet mushrooms. Just slice this into 4. We're gonna score these really quick as well. We're gonna take some olive oil, give it a nice coat, and we're gonna massage that oil in there. We're gonna take our baking tray, plop these down. These are gonna go into the oven about 350 degrees for 7 minutes. Let's get this miso going really quick. Dollop of coconut oil here, 3 tablespoons. Concentrated ramen broth, chili paste, it's about a tablespoon, 2 tablespoons. We're gonna add our water. Give it a nice stir. Let it bubble and do its thing. Chop up some garlic and get these mushrooms on the pan. Last step, boil the noodles. Let's get some of those mushrooms down. We're gonna take those kale chips, Wonder Egg, ice-bathed, curly green onions, shredded seaweed. Okay, moment of truth. Let's give this Tsukemen a try. Slam dunk into the broth. Cheers, guys. I'm not just realizing this, but I'm such a noodle fiend.